Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you about a very important Excel formula. The formula is called a VLOOKUP. This is a very simple and most powerful Excel formula. Using this, you can save a lot of your time. So going straight to my computer screen, as you can see, I have two Excel files open here. So book 1 and book 2. In book 1 I have some data entered, that is in column A I have employee names, and in column B I have their salaries, and in book 2 I have employee names. Now I want to enter their salaries from book 1 to book 2. So one method that we all know is I can do copy paste. I can go to book 1, I can search for the employee name and I can copy his salary and I can paste it here. But this process will take some time when the data is too large. So the second method is by using this formula VLOOKUP. So I'll start typing the formula. So first you need to type equal to VLOOKUP VLOOKUP. So as soon as you type the formula, it is shown below. So you have to double click on it and you have to select the value that you are searching in book 1. So in this case I'll select this employee name and I'll type comma. Then it is saying here table array. So I will go to book 1 and I'll select column A because in column A the employee name is present, and then I'll press and hold shift button and I'll press right arrow because the value that we are searching is salaries and that is present in the column B, that is to the right side of the employee name. That's why we are pressing right arrow. Then I'll type a comma. Then I'll type number 2. I'm typing number 2 because this column, the column B, is the second column in the data that we are searching. The data is column A and the column B, and this data has only two columns, and the value that we are searching is present in the column B, which is second column. That's why we are typing second. And then I'll type comma again and I will double click on the false. It means false means we are searching exact value, and then I will hit enter. See, the value is here, and I'll click on this dot and I'll drag it down all the way. So I'll get all the values from book 1. So this formula is very easy and very simple, and it can save a lot of your time. I hope you found this video helpful. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.